Hey everyone, today we're at Cootamundra car wash. We have a Mr. Magic Storm over here. My second time going through one of these. Stop. So here we go. My first one actually had dryers, by the way. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember this machine from Broken Hill?
I do remember this.
Yeah, there were actually dryers on the first one we did. This one doesn't have dryers. So it's going to be, so it's doing the front now, as you can see.
It's an interesting device. Good coverage.
It's very well looked after, isn't it? It's brand new. I think they actually used to have a Mr. Magic's Auto Magic machine in here, by the way. Judging by the new machine they have here now. Very nice.
Very nice, actually. Impressed with the coverage.
Very good coverage, eh? What do you think?
I like it. It's pretty good.
I wonder if we're going to be on the high pressure wash next.
I would think so, yeah. What do you think?
Only one way to find out.
Do you want me to put the wipers on?
Okay, here we go. I think it's going to start high pressure now.
I think so too. I don't know.
Yep.
Go, just as nice and right where all the bugs go. It's good.
This is going to be very loud, by the way.
Is it?
Because these are like turbo nozzles, is the main reason.
Yeah.
You know how turbo nozzles get, how loud they get.
Yeah.
Here we go. Incredibly noisy.
It is loud.
Really bad.
Good job.
Oh, we've got rocker panel blasters now, I think. Yep. There's the rocker panel blasters right there.
Yeah.
Works very well, doesn't it?
It's great.
Got an LED light there that tells us to go and stop.
That's right.
And now we are... Oh, we're going for another pass. Are we? I don't think this has tri-phone.
Don't think it's got tripod.
No.
No, I don't think so. This must be what?
It might be properly
Waxing
rinsed.
now. Properly rinsed, maybe.
We have an automatic door there, as you can see.
Yeah.
That's mainly because of the water. That works very well.
Great.
Are we done? Let's see.
Let's see.
we are done. So that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.